It has been a year since Japan imposed restrictions on Korea-bound exports. At first, there were concerns that the measure could affect Korea's semiconductor manufacturing, but Korean businesses have sustained no serious damage so far. Moreover, Korean chip makers have produced results in developing local materials to substitute those imported from Japan.
Hydrogen fluoride, used for wafer etching and removal of impurities in semiconductor manufacturing. This company has successfully localized hydrogen fluoride after Japan imposed export restrictions. Early this year, the firm even decided to expand its production lines.
원천 기술을 가지고 중국 내 파트너를 찾아서 지금은 중국 내에 저희들 기술 지도를 해서 반도체급의 불산을 제조를 해서 지금 국내 반도체 공급을 하고 있고요.
Although the company had a source technology for refining raw materials, mass production was a challenge because 2/3 of the material was imported from Japan. But as manufacturing of local materials gained pace, the company decided to increase its production equipment. Hydrogen fluoride is now being supplied from the US and China, while imports from Japan decreased to just 1/4 of the level prior to the trade curbs. Photoresist, essential in printing circuit boards on semiconductor wafers, was a major concern for Korean businesses, as it was mostly imported from Japan and it would take over a year to develop a substitute. However, localization proceeded faster than expected. Korean companies managed to find ways to import the material through a third country, Belgium, while some global corporations are launching manufacturing facilities in Korea. Polyimide films used in flexible displays were not a concern because they were already produced in Korea. Now that more and more items previously imported from Japan can be produced locally, their scope is also expanding. This firm produces photomasks, a key semiconductor component. Like other materials, photomasks were also mostly imported from Japan. But now, 90% of them are manufactured in Korea thanks to proactive efforts to develop local technologies.
한 90% 정도 완성이 됐고요. 마지막 공정에 고객과의 합의만 보게 되면 실제로 완성품이 된다고 보고 있고요. 그래서 한 몇 달 내로 그쪽 끝나는 거고.
Now that there is a market for substituting Japanese products, more Korean businesses are enthusiastically jumping into related R&D.
소재나 이 장비도 기술의 난이도가 좀 떨어진 제품만 국산화 쭉 되어 와 있었던 것이죠. 새롭게 도전을 하고 싶은데 기술의 난이도가 워낙 높고 그러다 보니까 R&D 비용도 크게 들어가야 되고 그 다음에 따라잡는 데 또 상당히 시간이 걸리기 때문에
The localization of materials, parts, and equipment, which began as a necessity for survival, turned out to be an opportunity to strengthen Korean businesses' technological independence.